today we have a train world right here. Now, it doesn't look like a train world, but it will be a train world. What kind of train should we build first? Let's try to build. Okay, first I'll build a cargo train. Let's get. Okay, I'm gonna start with this oil train. Okay, so see. Okay, I'm gonna make a train come. I'm gonna make the front, and it's gonna be okay. And what did I say? The train's here. Okay, so let's. Oh, maybe I can just keep on teleporting things. Go to the track. And what did I say? It's on the track. Now I'll do that with the rest of the vehicles, and we can get to it. I have it here, but I think I want this to come in the front. Let's try it again. Okay, keep it on the track. Right here. Okay, so let's keep on the track. The train's gonna crash. Let's move it again. Yeah, this looks good. Yes. So we know that we are making the video, and the train is gonna be good. Yeah, look, it's a butt. It's a baby. Okay, so you know we're gonna make the world. Train world, and train world is going to be awesome when we make it. And by the end of the series we'll have a full train world, but we need places to keep cars and roads. I could get that. Okay, I'm gonna just right in this area in the middle, and this is the gate. And there's going to be a road here, so it's good. Okay, so we got these tracks right here. Okay. So this is the first part of the track. Touch it. Good, that's great. Now we gotta attach the next piece. Okay, so there's a roundabout. Cool. Awesome, we got the roundabout. Okay, so it looks plain. You want to get some cars with the buildings? Let's get some cars. Okay, cars. I'll transport it here one by one. Okay, first pile of cars. There too. So yeah, that's a bit of a mess. So let's get it on the roads. Okay. So what should we do first? Wait, let's get the buildings too. We can't stop without the buildings. I'm gonna get the buildings right now. Got some buildings. Okay, let's set building. So this building is the front gate. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys inside. Right? The front gate. You guys can see the road lights. So now we have the station. The station is gonna be kept right there. Now we have the ice cream place. We kept right there. Now we have another station. This is a station. I'm gonna keep it all the way in this end. Right over here. The outside of the city. Now, I'm gonna get the cars ready. Okay, first let's start with, right there. With the construction vehicles. I'm gonna put the construction vehicles by, I'm gonna teleport them. Go there. Construction vehicles. Okay, got the construction vehicle. Wait, what happened here? I think when they teleported things, a crash happened. Car crash happened. Wait, right in a puddle of water. Oh no. Okay, anyway, let's get an airport. Yeah, airport doesn't sound too bad. Okay, I'm gonna get an airport. 3, 2, 1. The airport hasn't come. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, this time it worked. Okay, so let's get some cars. Let's the bus leaving the city. It's leaving the city. Come on. But don't you worry. We have a car coming to the city. Yes! Now we have another bus, a tour bus going down. Okay, I'm gonna choose my car. I'll take a Mercedes Benz. This is fancy. On a roundabout. So, one roundabout. Now I've got some 2 cars over there. So we need some cars at the station. So keep this Dodge car, I don't know, and an old-fashioned. Now, I want to make a police truck, but we have the trailer. Where's the truck? Okay, I'm gonna make the truck come there, and tell you it's there. Okay, let me just keep the cars, the rest of them, and okay, enjoy the rest of the video. So we got the whole city done. It's not fully done yet. Before we finish the whole video, look at train ride around the city. Come around. Then this is the airport that you can see. Then we come at the station over here. Okay, that's past through. Okay. Then we come to the construction site. Then a bunch of cars just sitting around over here. Then we come to the station, and then we go uphill and back to where we started. Goodbye, guys, and see you in the next video.